News coming in right now. Rahul Gandhi appeal seeking stay on conviction and sentencing before the Chief Justice of India's bench today. The Congress's legal team will be seeking urgent hearing. So that is what's expected. The plea on behalf of Rahul Gandhi seeking a stay on his conviction in the defamation case, and the sentencing that was handed out to him will in fact be before the Chief Justice of India's bench today. It will be mentioned before the Chief Justice of India's will seek urgent hearing. Remember, conviction can bring Rahul back of Parliament. Anisha Mathur, my colleague, is joining. Anisha, if you can give us more details about what is the team's strategy going to be?
For an urgent hearing in this matter. Remember, Paul, this matter on Saturday by Rahul Gandhi against the Gujarat High Court's order, which has upheld, declined to give him any relief at this stage. Now, with the monsoon session approaching and the fact that more than 100 days have passed since his conviction and sentencing by the district court, Rahul Gandhi wants an urgent hearing in the matter, because what he is saying is that if this matter is not heard urgently, then the Election Commission may also be forced to conduct the by-polls in Wayanad. He has said that the High Court has made certain legal errors in the verdict that have been given. He said that there was no intention to defame, that Modi as a group, as a caste, is an amorphous group, that it cannot be clearly defined, and therefore you cannot have defamation of an entire community in the way that the High Court has said. More importantly, in what he said is that there is a that irreparable injury will be caused to him and his constituency, his voters, if he is not given relief, and the High Court has acted on extraneous considerations, and this is going to be a very, very important argument before the Supreme Court as well, that because the High Court in its verdict has noted that there were other complaints against Rahul Gandhi, particularly with regard to the Savarkar jibe, that is where the fact that the High Court has noted that he had taken the name of the Prime Minister to add sensation and to affect the result of the election, where he was campaigning. All of these issues should never have been taken by the High Court when it is considering this issue of defamation. Those are the legal arguments that Rahul Gandhi's team will be raising. But for now, at 10:30, Senior Advocate Abhishek Manu Singh will be seeking an urgent hearing on this matter on the grounds that there is a monsoon session coming up, that there is a possibility of the Wayanad by-polls being announced by the Election Commission, and therefore there has to be an urgent hearing in the matter so that Rahul Gandhi can be given relief. Back to you.
Right. So it's clear from the plea, Anisha, that you're telling us the details of which you're mentioning at the moment, that Rahul Gandhi believes that he's running short of time at the moment, especially because the Election Commission, he believes, could be compelled to announce by-polls for Wayanad.
Well, very clearly, Pauline. Now remember, the law clearly says that a Lok Sabha seat cannot remain vacant for more than 6 months. Now, since his conviction and sentencing was in March, and we're already in July, there is a short period of time which the Election Commission also has to announce the by-polls, to hold the elections, etc. So, at this stage, Rahul Gandhi is also looking at the matter as a question of weeks and not months, because if the hearing is not conducted expeditiously, because when a hearing comes up now, whenever it is that the Supreme Court decides to take up the matter, they will also have to give time to Purnesh Modi to respond to the matter, because he's already filed a caveat in the Supreme Court. The hearing itself will take a few days, then there will be time for the judgment. And therefore, Rahul Gandhi will be hoping for an urgent hearing. Back to you.
Right. Anisha, thank you so much.